One, we can't make the parts as fast as we could possibly do on the water jet. Two, the water jet gives us a repeatability that we just don't have by making parts by hand. If you sit over there at a bandsaw and you drill a hole in it, one, it's very time consuming, and then it takes a lot of time to make those parts exactly the same.
And the rules and regulations for NASCAR are very, very precise. So how has the water jet assisted you in that process?
Well, one, it's helped our speed process. Two, the repeatability. From window braces to windows, NASCAR holds us very tight on our tolerances, and the water jet allows us to work inside those tolerances and have a lot of extra room still to work on.
Now, what exactly are you cutting on the water jet? What type of materials?
With our cars, with the NASCARs, we use a lot of mild steel. With the off-road cars and the NASCAR lower AM, we use a lot of chromoly, a lot of 70-75 aluminum, 60-61 aluminum, some sheet plate material from titanium to stainless to our standard aluminum. We've done some Kevlar panels with it already. It's worked very well for us.
And you've used it on your Baja vehicles, or Dakar vehicles, your NASCAR, Indy. What exactly are you using it for, on which vehicles?
Yeah, for like the off-road truck, pretty much it's a flat tab. With the machine that we have, we're very limited to flat surfaces, but it works very well for us. Obviously, even before, like if we're going to break something, we found out ways to put a light little line in it so that we can put a brake at that point every single time. There's a lot of things that we've learned with our machine on how to speed up the process. It doesn't matter if it's the off-road car, which here in California, so a lot of times they'll pass over a print. We take our roller on, trace the print, all of a sudden, bam, we've got a part that we can produce. So the speed process is actually unbelievable in our time to take.
Right, the time is obviously very important. Time and speed, so wonderful. How often are you using the water jet?
Every day, most of the day, every day. The water jet has, it's turned in, we use it more when we use a bandsaw. We don't ever water the bandsaw anymore because it's easier to go to map. We use our operator. He does a wonderful job. He's able to take our drawings from a napkin or a template, trace on the boom, and all of a sudden he's now got an actual part. So I'm very happy with it.
You said the other day, you can't create time, but with the water jet, you really can make time.
Well, what we've done is we've sped up the processes. And, one thing in racing, they're going to race every single Saturday or Sunday without us if we're not ready. And this helps us be more prepared and be more efficient in a pinch for sure. And it just allows us to be better prepared. Having the water jet for us, a lot of companies have gone with just-in-time parts. With NASCAR racing and the evolution of the goalpost always changing because Hendrick Motorsports, Roush, Penske, whoever it may be, may move the goalpost on us. If we have a bunch of parts that let's say we cut a bunch of parts for 40 of them, and then all of a sudden, we're going to change that design. Having the machine in-house allows us to only make about enough parts that we're not scrapping on the parts, so it's wasting a bunch of time. Now, if we were doing stuff at an outside vendor, we wouldn't produce as many parts because we wouldn't want to sit on those parts if we changed our design.
Now, you're one of the only NASCAR drivers that owns your entire franchise. Is that going to stay the same?
That's the game plan here. We've been working really hard. I own it, but we have great sponsors. Jim Beam, Menards, Montag, the Hard Rock guys. The list goes on. TECHNI, the support we get from there, Magnaflow. We've got a lot of partners that support us and allow us to do it.
Great. Now, what would you change? Would you change anything about your TECHNI Waterjet?
Well, I think, the biggest thing for us is just getting used to it and speeding up our processes. The machine will do anything we ask it to do. It's about us learning our processes to ask the machine to do that.
Now, I found this interesting. I was looking at your standings, and Michael Waltrip, who owns a jet at Waterjet, he's 31st in the driving point standings with 1,355 points, and you're 34th with, Michael Waltrip's 1,300 points, and you're 1,355 points. So, how can we beat him?
Well, we're working hard at it, and that's obviously our goalpost is to outrun everybody. Michael Waltrip was there in 31st, and I got to be honest, we're not looking at Michael Waltrip. We're looking at Tony Stewart right now. If we focus on Michael Waltrip, all we're going to do is get to 31st. We got to focus on how do we become the best in the business.
Now, Robby, you are so busy. you have 43 out of how many weeks in the year that you race. Are you ever going to slow down?
Well, I'd like to, but to be honest with you, this is a full-time job, and I'm very fortunate. There's a lot of benefits that come with my racing program, and I really enjoy it. So I don't see it slowing down anytime in the near future.
Great. Thank you so much, Robby.
All right, thank you.